Alpha and beta thalassemia. Both types of thalassemia can be further classified into different subtypes depending on the severity of the disease. Alpha thalassemia. Alpha thalassemia occurs when there are defects in the genes that produce alpha globin. The severity of the condition varies depending on the number of affected genes. The type of alpha thalassemia includes alpha thalassemia silent carrier, where one gene is affected, usually causing no symptoms. Second, alpha thalassemia trait, where two genes are affected, leading to mild anemia. Third, hemoglobin H disease, where three genes are affected, causing moderate to severe anemia. Fourth, alpha thalassemia major or hydrops fetalis, where all four genes are affected, resulting in a life-threatening condition, for example, death in the newborn. Beta thalassemia. Beta thalassemia occurs when there are defects in the genes that produce beta globin. The severity of the condition depends on the extent of the mutation and the amount of normal beta globin production. The types of beta thalassemia includes: first, beta thalassemia minor or thalassemia trait, where one gene is affected, usually causing mild anemia. Second, beta thalassemia intermedia, where two genes are affected, resulting in moderate to severe anemia. Third, beta thalassemia major, where both genes are affected, leading to severe and life-threatening anemia requiring lifelong blood transfusions.